Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss a topic that affects all of us mental health. Did you know that what you eat can play a big part in how you feel? Yes, that's right. We are talking about the amazing link between a plant-based diet and mental well-being. So let's unpack the juicy topic together. Let's go. Alright, let's kick things off with a little science. You may be wondering, how can food affect my mood? Great question. Our brain are like supercomputers and they need the right fuel to run smoothly. Number one, gut-brain connection. Did you know that around 90% of the serotonin, our happy chemical, is produced in the gut? What you eat can impact this. Number two, nutrients matter. Food high in omega-3 fatty acid, antioxidants, and vitamins can significantly boost brain health and improve mood. Let's talk about some specific nutrients that are like superheroes for our brains. Here are a few foods you all want to load up on. Number one, leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other greens are packed with folate, which help reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Number two, berries. Bright and beautiful. Berries are full of antioxidants. They help fight oxidative stress in the brain. Snack on these to boost your mood. Number three, fatty fish alternatives. If you are plant-based, think flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnut. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acid that are great for brain health. Number four, whole grains. Food like quinoa, brown rice, and whole oats help maintain blood sugar level, keeping those energy dips. Plant-based foods that boost your mood. So next we go to our third segment, that is plant-based foods that boost your mood. Now let's get into some delicious plant-based food that can seriously boost your mood. Number one, bananas. Packed with vitamin B6, bananas help produce serotonin, plus they make a tasty snack or smoothie base. Number two, dark chocolate. Yes, you heard it right. Dark chocolate in moderation releases endorphins. Pick varieties with at least 70% cacao for maximum mood boosting benefits. Number three, avocado. Loaded with healthy fats and fibers. Not only taste amazing, but also help keep your brain sharp. Spread it on toast for a delicious breakfast. Number four, turmeric. The golden spice contains curcumin, which can help alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. Try adding it to soups, rice, and smoothies. So let's discuss our next segment, meal ideas to boost mood. Want to know how to bring it all together in the kitchen? Here are three super simple meals idea that will make your taste buds dance and support your mental health. Number one, berry smoothie bowl. Blend your favorite berries with a banana and a splash of plant milk. Top it with nuts, seeds, maybe a drizzle of honey or maple syrup. Tasty and vibrant. Number two, avocado toast. Smash avocado on whole grain bread. Sprinkle some salt, pepper, and chili flakes. Add sliced tomatoes or radishes for added crunch and nutrients. Number three, quinoa salad. Mix cooked quinoa with chickpeas, diced bell peppers, cucumber, parsley, and a squeeze of lemon juice. It's refreshing and packed with fiber. These meals are not only nutrient-packed but also absolutely delightful to eat. Oh, so yummy. Next segment, personal testimony and mindfulness. So I will share you a little personal story. When I transitioned to a plant-based diet, I noticed a significant change, not just in my physical health but in my mental well-being too. I felt lighter, more energized, and my mood improved. I started my day with colorful breakfasts, and it really set a positive tone for my day. But it's not just about the food. Mindfulness play a role too. Pair your meal with moments of mindfulness. Eating slow and appreciating your food can boost those happy hormones even more. So, when you chow down on your delicious quinoa salad, take a moment to savor each bite and feel the goodness flowing through you. So let's move to next segment, that is conclusion and call to action. So there you have it, the sunny connection between a plant-based diet and your mental health. Remember, choosing plant-based foods filled with nutrients can help keep your mood lifted and your mind sharp. If you found this videos helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe for more delightful content and share your favorite plant-based mood-boosting food in the comments. Let's inspire each other to eat well and feel great. Until next time, keep shining. Take care. Bye-bye.